Hi, I'm Sahil from Swiggle, and today we'll be talking about how data can boost restaurant and bar sales for your brand. One of the most important things we can do in business today is capture and utilize good quality data, identifying your customer. A lot of times we think we know who our customer is, but we don't really know who our customer is. We have this idea of our customer should be someone in their 40s, they're female, but when the data comes back, we start to realize maybe that's not our customer. Our customer is actually someone who's in their 30s, was male versus female. And there's also, micro markets. Our customer may not be the same from one market to another. So tracking customer engagement, combining brand data with retail data becomes the most effective way to drive sales and depletion. What kind of data should you be capturing? Customer demographics, which are age, gender, drinking preferences, location, email and phone number, as long as you make sure that you ask them to subscribe to marketing, their purchase behaviors, which is why you want to really partner with your on-premise partners. How often do they visit? What are their favorite items? How often do they purchase? What kind of deals and promotions work well for them? Can we get direct feedback from our customers? Can the retail locations help us that? Can we get reviews from our customers about our product? Can our customers mention our products and reviews for our on-premise partners? Collecting data is one thing, but we also want to make sure that we store data correctly. Do you store data compliant to the GDPR European standard or the more strict American CCPA California standard? Making sure that it's not just stored right, but you interact the right way. Here in Florida, sending an unsolicited text message can cost you $500 per incident per person. Now, the quality of this data that we're talking about makes a huge difference in marketing efforts. We recently worked with an on-premise account where we drove traffic to them and realized it was costing them $78 in social media marketing to get a single client through the door. Using data that we got from their spirits partners, we were able to reduce that cost to $14 per person. That's huge savings for them, which can then be spent to make more purchases with your brand. We were also able to increase depletion by 38% for one of our brands by combining a food and alcohol deal with an on-premise partner. Just one deal, combining a burger and a margarita, increased depletion by 38%. Some of the events that you go to, especially larger events, are great places to collect data. We were recently spent 2 hours at a college venue where we were able to get 200 data points in just 2 hours. It's 100 an hour. Every time you get liquid to lips, you should be coming back with some kind of information, identifying who that customer is and how to get back in touch with them. Thanks for listening today. And for more information, please email us at info@swiglet.com.